Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money on Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. On Polymarket you can make money by predicting real world events correctly. Either market has two choices, yes or no. You buy the option you really discourage. If you are right, when the market ends you earn money. If you are wrong, you lose the money you use. On your PC, open a browser and go to Polymarket website and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on deposit and from your connect wallet, usually MetaMask. Make sure you already have USDC on the Polygon network deposited in the Polymarket. The best way to make money is to trade markets you actually understand. Look for topics you follow like politics you track, sports you watch, or news you follow closely. Avoid guessing on things you don't know. Now click on any topics you like. Each price shows how likely the market thinks something will happen. Here you will see two options, yes or no. If you believe the real change is higher than the price suggests, that can be an opportunity. You don't need to wait until the market ends. If the price moves in your favor, you can sell early and lock in profit. Start with small amounts. Don't put all your money into one market. Spread your money across different predictions. When you make money, consider withdrawing some profits back to your wallet instead of reinvesting everything. And that's it. That's a simple, honest explanation of how to make money on Polymarket. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.